Can I customize my soap with a scent just for me?
Adding essential or fragrance oil of choice to unscented soap is easy. Take 1 or 2 drops, just like you did for your unscented shaving cream, and place on top of the soap. Here I'm using a pure badger bristle shaving brush, and I'm saturating it with warm water to make it ready for creating lather. I'm flicking out some excess water, and now I'm going to go and pre-stir vigorously. I usually work in about 5-second intervals, and then I check to see whether my lather is too wet, in which case it's more like a bubble water, or too dry, in which case I go in for another quick dip of water. Here things look just about right, and at this point you'd be ready to start taking it to your face and further creating lather that smells wonderful.